Segregation of duty. A core element authentication in the principle of segregation of duty, also known as separation duties. Segregation of duties is based on the system practice that no one person should control an entire high risk transaction from start finish. Segregation of duties breaks the transaction into separate parts and requires a different person to execute each part of the transaction. For example, an employee may submit an invoice for payment to vendor or for reimbursement to themselves. So, but it must be approved by a manager prior to payment. In other instance, almost anyone may submit a personal for a change to a system configuration, but the request must go through technical and management review and gain approval before it can be implemented. These steps can prevent fraud or detect an error in the process before implementation. It could be that the same employee might be authorized to originally submit invoices regarding one set of an activities but not approve them, and yet also have approval authority but not the right to submit invoices on another. So it is possible, of course, that two individuals can be willfully work together by bypass the segregation of duties so that they could jointly commit fraud is called conclusion. Another implementation of segregation of duties is deal control. So these could apply at a bank where there are two separate combination locks of the door of the violin. Some personal known one of the combination and some known other, but no one person know both combinations. Two people must work together to open the valiant, those the valiant is under dual control. Then the next one is two-person integrity. The two-person rule is a security strategy that requires a minimum of the two people to be in an area together, making it impossible for a person to be in area alone. Many access control systems prevent an individual cardholder from entering a selected high security area unless accompanied by at least one another person. So use of the two persons rule can help reduce incident threats to critical areas by requiring at least two individuals to be present at any time. It is also used to live safely within a security area. If one person has medical emergency, there will be assistance present. This is all about segregation of duties.